Hello student, now we are going to study about geography paper first, that is 401 human geography, unit 3rd population. In this unit the subtopic is Malthusian theory of population growth. Thomas Robert Malthus put forth his theory in 1798. He taught history and political economics at East India College. His attention was drawn by rapidly growing population in various parts of the world. He wrote a thesis entitled An Essay on the Principles of Population as it affects the future improvement of society. The thesis was published in 1798. He studied population of many countries of the world. Malthus was shocked by rate of growth of population. Malthus tries to explain a relationship between the growth of population and food supply. He states the population increases faster than food supply, and unchecked it unchecked leads to misery. His theory was based on two observations. According to Malthus, population increases in geometric progression, like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. In this way, माल्थस यांच्या मतानुसार लोकसंख्येची वाढ ही भूमिती पद्धतीने होत असते. And food supply increases in arithmetic progression. अन्नधान्याचा पुरवठा हा गणिती पद्धतीने होत असतो, जसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 या श्रेणीनुसार. Slowly increasing food supply cannot keep pace with the rapidly increasing population. Inadequate of food supply results in starvation of people. If balance between population and food supply gets disturbed beyond a limit, natural control come into force. The rate of growth of population is controlled by specific checks, and these checks are preventive checks and positive checks. Growth of population is checked by natural control, and it is a positive check. Man himself is responsible for getting trapped in calamities such as poverty, epidemic diseases, wars, ill effects of large cities, low quality food, etc. Malthus stated that food supply increases in a slow arithmetic progression. For the example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. This indicates that the rate of growth of food is less than the growth rate of population. This results imbalance in population and food supply getting disturbed and cause स्टार्वेशन ऑफ पीपल म्हणजे उपासमार या ठिकाणी. द फूड सप्लाय इज शोन on the x-axis and population is shown on y-axis. The curve M is the Malthusian population curve. It indicates a relationship between population and food supply. The balance between growing population and food supply gets disturbed beyond a certain limit. The rate of growth of population is controlled by specific checks. These checks are known as preventive checks and positive checks. The preventive checks are applied by man to control birth rate. Malthus suggested some measures to control population growth. These are celibacy, late marriage, moral restraint, spread of education, foresight, etc. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारचे मेजर्स माल्थस यांनी सुचवलेले आहेत लोकसंख्या कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी. Malthus was influenced by a Roman Catholic Church. He did not suggest other methods of family planning, such family plannings. As per his views, preventive checks are always in operation in a civilized society. If people fail to check growth of population, positive checks like famine, war, disease, flood, earthquake, vice, etc. come into force, which tend to reduce population and thereby bring balance with the food supply. Then there is a criticism. The theory of population growth was also criticized by scholars on certain basis. Criticisms are like Malthus argued that population increases in geometric progression, but in reality, in various parts of the world, population has always not increased in geometric progression. In some Western countries, population has declined. Then the another criticism about the theory is population is not controlled by the moral restraint only. Moral restraint is one of the methods, but not the only method of birth control. There are several other methods to control birth rate. Malthus did not consider other methods of birth control. According to Malthus, the growth of population is going to remain constant. However, Malthus did not take into consideration that the attraction between sexes not necessarily mean that population will increase. To keep standard of living at a higher level, people have restricted population growth. Then it is not necessary that natural calamities will always occur in overpopulated countries. Natural calamities can occur even in less populated countries of the world. Malthus gives importance to only food grains for livelihood, but food grains alone are not enough. Instead of food grains, fruits, fish, milk, etc. can also be used as food. Due to technological development, food supply is increased. Malthus argued that land cannot be increased with the increase in population, but today land can be increased by reclaiming land from the sea and by using a hill slope. More land can be brought under cultivation. In this way, the theory is put forth by Thomas Robert Malthus about the population. Okay, next will be continued during next period. Thank you.